Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok and creating a clip. Don't stall on settings. After recording or uploading, tap text and type exactly what you want read aloud. Once the text is placed, tap it and select text-to-speech to preview the default voice so you know what you're changing. If you don't see text-to-speech, make sure your app is updated and you're using a TikTok account region that supports TTS, then continue to selecting a different voice option. Once text-to-speech is active, tap the small speaker icon or voice list next to the text to open available voices. You'll see several named options. Listen to each until you find a female-sounding voice. TikTok sometimes labels them by personality or name rather than gender, so preview to confirm. After you choose, tap Apply so the text is bound to that voice. Make sure to play the whole clip to verify timing and pronunciation, and adjust text placement or punctuation if pacing sounds off. Finish by reviewing the video start to finish. Make minor edits so the speech aligns with visuals, then post. If the female voice option isn't available, update TikTok, clear cache, and restart the app or device. Regional rollouts sometimes hide voices. Once done, you can also use your phone's built-in TTS to generate audio externally and import it if TikTok lacks the voice you want. A quick troubleshooting tip: switch to a VPN region where TTS features are known to be available before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.